Hey everyone. Well, hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some easy study habits that will actually help boost your grades. Whether you're in high school, college, or just trying to improve your academic skills, these tips are for you. Now, before we dive into the habits, I want to mention that if you're looking for more in-depth strategies to transform your studying and boost your grades, I've put together everything you need to know in my student Academic Success ebook. It's packed with proven methods, tips, and resources to help you succeed in school, so definitely check it out. Let's get into it. 1. Set clear goals. The first habit that can really help you improve your grades is setting clear, realistic goals. When you have a goal, it gives you direction and motivation. Break down your academic year or semester into smaller, achievable goals. Instead of saying, I want to get better grades, be more specific, like, I want to get an A in math by studying 1 hour a day. The more specific your goals are, the easier it is to create a plan to reach them. 2. Create a study schedule. One of the most effective habits is having a consistent study schedule. This helps you manage your time better and avoids last-minute cramming. Try to study at the same time every day, so it becomes part of your routine. Use a planner, or even better, a digital planner like the ones I sell. This can help you keep track of assignments, tests, and study sessions all in one place. Having everything organized takes the stress off and allows you to focus on your studying. 3. Active learning. Instead of just reading through your notes, try to engage with the material actively. This could mean rewriting your notes in your own words, teaching the material to someone else, or creating flashcards. The more you interact with the information, the better it sticks in your brain. Active learning helps improve your understanding and retention, which ultimately leads to better grades. 4. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks during your study sessions. Your brain can only focus for so long, and pushing yourself too hard can actually hurt your progress. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you study for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. This helps keep your mind fresh and focused, and you'll notice you can retain more information over time. 5. Stay organized. Keeping your study space and materials organized can make a huge difference in how effectively you study. Make sure your workspace is clean and free from distractions. Use folders or digital tools to keep track of your notes, assignments, and study materials. An organized space helps create an organized mind, and you'll be able to concentrate better when everything is in order. 6. Test yourself. Quizzing yourself regularly is one of the best ways to prepare for exams. This could be using past papers, creating practice questions, or even using flashcards. Testing yourself forces you to recall information, and the more you practice, the more you reinforce your memory. It's also a great way to identify areas where you need to improve. 7. Get enough sleep. Sleep is one of the most overlooked aspects of studying. All-nighters might seem like a good idea, but they can actually harm your performance. Your brain needs rest to process and retain the information you've learned. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially before big exams. Trust me, you'll perform better when you're well rested. 8. Use resources. Don't be afraid to use all the resources available to you, whether that's asking your teacher for help, joining a study group, or even using online resources like videos or apps. I also have more detailed strategies and study techniques in my Student Academic Success ebook, which is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to maximize their study habits and improve their grades. Conclusion. So there you have it. These are some easy, effective study habits that can help boost your grades. Remember, consistency is key. Implement these habits into your daily routine and watch how they transform your study sessions and academic performance. And if you want to take your studying to the next level, don't forget to grab my Student Academic Success ebook. It's full of detailed tips, strategies, and tools to help you succeed academically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite study habit.